The number of equipment needed to establish a rock sugar production plant is determined by the scale of daily processing of monocrystalline and polycrystalline rock sugar. For monocrystalline rock sugar processing, a monocrystalline machine is required, while for polycrystalline rock sugar, a polycrystalline crystallization basin is needed. According to the corresponding monocrystalline and polycrystalline rock sugar, granulated sugar, etc., a sugar boiling pot and rock sugar drying equipment are also required. Rock sugar production line. The main equipment for single crystal rock sugar machine. The models of single crystal rock sugar machines include 1.2, 1.5, 1.8, and 3.0, corresponding to processing machines with a capacity ranging from 1 ton of rock sugar to 3 tons of single crystal rock sugar. Supporting equipment, liquid storage tank, concentration equipment, crystallization system, draining, drying machine, screening and packaging line, etc. One person can operate 16 to 20 single crystal rock sugar machines. Polycrystalline rock sugar production line. Crystallization basins, sugar boiling pots, liquid control equipment and crushing and drying devices are required.